Hi, in this video I want to share my experience of following OMAD or one meal a day of my 1 week to 10 days of experience. I plan to have this one meal a day diet for at least a period of 1 month and see what effect it will have on me. So this will be my first video after roughly 10 days. I will be posting more videos, preferably or hopefully after every week, and share with you my experience. There is a saying in India which goes by Ekabhoje yogi, Dvibhoje bhogi, Tribhoje rogi. It means a person who eats once in a day is a saint. A person who eats twice in a day is a family man enjoying the luxuries of life. A person who will eat 3 times a day will become a patient. Many of us today are familiar or got used to 3 meals a day, which I felt is never required. Since my childhood, I had this desire that at some point of time in my life later, I want to move up to 1 meal a day. As some of you may already know, I have been following a diet which is based on raw food with minimal or zero heating for the past 2.5 years, and have been rid of all kinds of diseases from diabetes to high cholesterol, and also lost some weight. But aside from that, I was noticing that I have been eating multiple times a day, and I did not know if it is really necessary to eat so many times of a day. The question that often comes up is, why do you want to reduce it to 1 meal a day? Well, the number one reason is, like I said in the beginning, there's a saying that says if you eat 1 meal a day, you will become a saint. And I want to lead a clean and calm and pure life. Therefore, I want to be able to move up to 1 meal a day. That is the primary reason. The corollary benefits is you do not have to make meals so many times a day and waste time on those mundane activities which may not be required. So, I wanted to try out what will happen if I try for about 1 month, see how much benefit I will get. Now, it has been about 9 or 10 days since I started this. I had one exception when my wife cooked a meal for me. I didn't ask for, and then I did not know for the dinner on that day. So that particular day it has become twice, but otherwise all these 9-10 days it was 1 meal a week, 1 meal a day, sorry. What did I eat during this period and when did I eat? So my diet varies every day, so has been this period as well. For example, if you ask me today what I had a huge bowl of ice cream which is made of bananas, cashews, a little bit of cocoa, carrot powder, and lots of almond. That was my meal today and nothing else. Yesterday it was a meal which was primarily of lots of bananas and a few roasted peanuts. On some other day it was a heavy smoothie followed by some of the nut based or dry fruit based sweets I would make. That was my meal. The concept is whatever I want to eat, I will finish it within a span of 1 hour from starting my 1 meal. So that's how it has been. Now, what has been my experience so far? From an energy point of view, I don't think I had any difference in energy. I couldn't notice any difference, as a matter of fact. Neither it has been more energetic nor has it been less energetic. I was able to carry out my chores of the day, including some physical work on some days, and it wasn't difficult at all. On the negative side, yes, my sleeping has been affected because I did not have any dinner. most of the meals that I have on this concept is between 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 or 12:30 p.m. or 1 p.m. So by the evening I didn't have anything and I go to sleep. My sleeping pattern has never been systematic for the last several months. I go to bed from anything from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. So it hasn't been systematic. Yesterday I tried to get to bed early. From 7 p.m. I was trying to get some sleep. Till 4 a.m. in the morning I couldn't get any sleep. Around 1 a.m. I got vexed, watched a Hollywood movie and went to bed at 3:30. Still I did not feel asleep until about half an hour later, and I woke up probably around 7:30 or 8 a.m. The sleep had been affected, but I don't know whether this is the cause. It has been erratic anyway. Other than this, I have not noticed anything big. I will post more videos, hopefully every week, and tell you what has been my experience during these 4 weeks, or roughly 1 month of 1 meal a day. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. I think you should subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and watch my next of the 3 videos hopefully on this series, so you will come to know what is somebody's experience of following this 1 meal a day concept for 1 month. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you.